On today's episode of You May Not Know, we're going to dive into one of the best-kept secrets in the car buying world. Thinking about buying a new car? Well, buckle up, because October through January is the prime time to make that move, and I'm going to tell you why. If you're still not subscribed, make sure to smash that button below and turn on notifications so you never miss out on tips like these. Let's dive right in. So why is October through January the sweet spot for car buyers? It comes down to a perfect storm of timing, incentives, and dealer motivations. First, dealerships are clearing out older inventory to make room for new models, but that's just the beginning. Car manufacturers typically release their new models in the fall, and that means dealers are highly motivated to sell off their remaining inventory from the previous model year. Older models, often just a few months old, are offered at big discounts. It's like getting a brand new car with all the bells and whistles, but at a used car price. And trust me, the difference between the new model and last year's is usually pretty small. Maybe a few extra tech features or slightly different trim, but the money you save? Now that's the real deal. Now let's talk about holiday promotions. Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas, and New Year's. This time of year is full of holiday deals, and car dealerships love to get in on the action. Dealers and manufacturers offer all kinds of incentives. Cash rebates, get a few hundred or even thousands off the sticker price. Low or 0% financing. Imagine paying no interest over 5 or even 6 years. That's a game changer. Employee pricing. Sometimes dealerships offer their internal employee pricing to everyone. Yes, you too. Imagine getting a new car with a discount that feels like you're in the club. It's not just for employees anymore. Throw in the holiday spirit, and you've got yourself a real win-win. It's like the dealership is Santa and they're just handing out savings. Another reason to buy during this time? Year-end sales quotas. Car dealerships and salespeople have annual targets they need to hit. By December, they're pushing hard to meet those goals, and they're more likely to negotiate and offer better deals to make those sales. You could walk away with thousands in savings because they're motivated to sell. Plus, many salespeople receive bonuses when they hit their year-end targets. So it's a win-win for both sides. For you, that means more room to negotiate on price, add-ons, or even a better financing deal. And trust me, these salespeople want to close those deals before the clock hits midnight on December 31st. But what about January? Isn't the holiday season over by then? You'd be surprised. In fact, January can be just as good, if not better, for buying a new car. Here's the thing. Dealers are still motivated to sell leftover models, and some brands extend their holiday offers into the new year. Plus, January is a slow month for many industries, including auto sales. Fewer customers means more time and flexibility for negotiating, and they're still eager to clear inventory from the previous year. So, how do you make the most of these deals? Here are some quick tips to maximize your savings when buying a new car during this time of year. Tip number 1, do your research ahead of time. Check the prices of last year's models versus the new ones. Use websites like Kelley Blue Book or Edmunds to see how much the car is worth and what incentives are available for both new and previous year models. Tip number 2, be ready to negotiate. Dealers are motivated to sell, but they're not going to give it away for free. Come prepared to haggle on the price or ask for extras like a better warranty or free maintenance packages. Tip number 3, time your visit. If you go towards the end of the month or year, the pressure is even higher for dealerships to meet quotas. This is when you'll have the most negotiating power. Tip number 4, trade in your old car. The used car market has been hot lately, and dealers are offering higher than normal trade-in values. If you've got an old car to trade, this is the time to cash in. What are the best cars right now? Let's take a look at some of the hottest new models coming out during this time that you might want to consider. For 2024, you've got options like Tesla Model 3 with an enhanced range and autopilot, perfect for the tech enthusiast. Ford Mustang, a modern muscle car with style and power to match. And Toyota Camry Hybrid, reliable, efficient, and now with hybrid options for the eco-conscious. Leasing options. But what if you're not ready to buy? No worries. October through January is also prime leasing time. Many manufacturers offer amazing lease deals during this time. Lower down payments, fewer upfront fees, and sometimes they'll even throw in extras like free maintenance or extended mileage limits. Leasing is especially great if you like switching cars every few years or want to avoid the long-term commitment of ownership. The lower monthly payments can also be a huge bonus. And let's not forget about financing. Even if you're buying, you'll want to check out the financing deals that pop up during this time. We're talking about 0% APR for up to 60 months if you qualify. Now that's a deal. Some brands even offer cashback incentives or allow you to combine rebates with low financing, which can save you thousands in the long run. If you're thinking about going electric, now is also a great time to make that switch. Manufacturers are offering excellent incentives on EVs during this period, including rebates, tax credits, and even free home charging stations. The federal EV tax credit, combined with end-of-year dealership incentives, can significantly lower the cost of owning an electric vehicle. Plus, with gas prices fluctuating, who wouldn't want to save on fuel? So to wrap it all up, if you're thinking about buying a new car, October through January is the time to do it. Whether you're looking for a great deal on last year's model or want to drive off in the latest and greatest, the savings and incentives during this season are unmatched. Between holiday discounts, year-end quotas, and the ability to negotiate, it's the perfect time to upgrade your ride. Thanks for watching today's episode of You May Not Know. If you're in the market for a new car, head to your local dealerships now to take advantage of these incredible offers. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and tap that notification bell so you never miss another money-saving tip. And if you haven't done so already, don't forget to check out our channel merch in the description below. Every little bit helps us grow. Until next time, keep exploring, keep saving, and happy car shopping.